Hey folks, it's Chad here with Airstream in Greensboro, and today we are going to take a look at every single Bambi floor plan for the 2025 model year lineup. And then later, I'm going to post a review of each individual floor plan as well. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see those reviews as they pop up. All right, let's get started checking out every floor plan in the Bambi lineup now. One of the really cool things that's been happening here lately here at Airstream in Greensboro, well, one, we're just getting an enormous amount of new inventory in that is available that I have time to make videos of, and that's not necessarily always the case. But I've got every floor plan here for the 2025 model year. So we got the 16th RB right there. We've got the 20 FB in the center, and then here to the right, we have the 22 FB. Now, the 19 CB used to be part of the Bambi lineup, but 2025 Airstream decided to retire that floor plan. I guess there just wasn't quite enough sales to justify it. I'm not really sure I liked that floor plan. I thought it was a good floor plan for the Bambi and Caravelle lineup, but they're gone. So let's just kind of check out the differences of the 22, the 20, and the 16. We'll start with the 16, of course. Now, this is going to be a very small travel trailer. Like, this is the smallest travel trailer and the least expensive travel trailer that you can get from Airstream. It's also the only one that has the front panoramic with a dinette. So if this is something that you want to have, but also you want to have a smaller floor plan that's a little bit easier to tow, maybe you can use a smaller vehicle to tow it, something like that. The 16 RB is going to be really good for that. Now, this is going to have one combined black and gray tank. It's also going to be the only floor plan that I'll show you today that has a wet bath, and I'm going to show you what that is here in a second. But we do have some really good storage up here above. Of course, you got your radio and entertainment area there, storage above there, storage up here as well, and then storage back there. Now, this whole bed here, they call it a queen bed, but it's definitely smaller than a queen. But this whole bed underneath is basically storage, which is super nice. We do have a closet here. Now, when I do the full video of the 16 RB, I'm going to open every cabinet and every door and everything, so you'll be able to see inside of all of that. But the main thing I want to do today is just kind of give you an overview and then give you an idea of the differences between the 16, the 20, and the 22. Now, again, the 16 is going to be the lightest, the smallest. This is going to be probably an RB or Airstream that you could tow with a lot of your smaller SUVs. I wouldn't say small, like say mid-sized SUV. And then, of course, all your trucks, I would say, could probably tow this, except for maybe like the Ford Maverick. That might be a little bit of a tough one to do. Got storage under there. Now, let me show you one thing. Now, this is being a rear bed, and it's the only floor plan currently that is a rear bed. The other two over here are going to be front beds. That means your storage is actually going to be off the rear as well. Let me show you that. So we'll have this large compartment door off the front here that opens, and then you have all of the storage that's underneath the bed. These containers do come with it, and then that's your 30 amp cable. All of the Bambi floor plans are going to be 30 amp. There's no 50 amp because they're all one air conditioner. Now, on the 20 FB, we do have a little bit of storage off the back here. Not a ton, but just like a tiny little, it's under the kitchen area. That's a pretty good size. Now that I say that, it's a pretty good size. You do see that, there is some exposed piping there, something to note and be careful with. And then, as far as outside storage on the 20 FB, is that it? Just that? It could just be the back. Yeah, it is. Wow, okay. I just shocked myself a little bit. So the only outside storage is that back storage there on the 20 FB. Now, these are all 2025 model years, so they're going to come with all the changes for 2025. Now, the 20 FB is unequivocally one of my favorite floor plans that Airstream has produced. The only thing that I would say I could see them doing different would be to make this a 23 FB flying cloud, so we can have twin beds up here. And then this floor plan, I think, would be almost near perfect. So we've got, again, a skinny kind of queen bed here, storage above with the little roll-up doors. Of course, they're all going to have a max air fan in each of the different floor plans. Now, we got a little shallow storage here, but 3 of them above the dinette. Now, this dinette is going to be on the what we call the road side, or the business side of the camper. And so your windows there are going to be overlooking that area. Now, if you're in a really cool campground, this may be a fantastic view, but there's something to think about and to know. Now, these all have the GE air conditioners that started in 2025. And with the 25 model year, we also got the new inner ribs that are automotive pressed. So you're going to have more consistency in the manufacturing process, is really what that's kind of talking about. Now, a while ago, I've mentioned this in some videos, I'll mention it now. The Airstream went to a CNC style machine to drill out all of these rivet holes, to cut all of the aluminum. So everything's getting more and more precise with Airstream in their manufacturing. We do have, now I call this the kitchen floor plan, and you've probably now seen that already because I've been showing you the kitchen. We have a nice little pantry right here. And then we've got pretty much the same refrigerator through all the different floor plans. TV, 24-inch smart TV, bezel-less, 12 volt, all that good stuff. But look at all of this counter space that you get in a 20-foot floor plan. I mean, this floor plan is fantastic. Like I said, the only thing that would make this floor plan better is for it to have the option to do twin beds or a bigger queen bed. And then this floor plan would be off the hook. Now, this has solar, and like I've said in most of our videos, we're going to pretty much have solar and lithium batteries for anything that we have in stock. If you want to order one without that, we can certainly accommodate. Of course, we have storage above, really good cabinet storage. Then you're going to have all of these drawers that pull out on the 20FB. Again, I'm going to do a full walkthrough with this floor plan. The microwave there is standard. Now, there's no convection microwave or anything like that. It's just the microwave is all you get with the Bambi. And then, like, there's no option to do window awnings either with the Bambi. That is something you can do on the Caravelle if you really wanted those types of things. A really nice dry bath, which is going to be very different than the 16RB. Again, the 16RB is now the only floor plan that you can get that front panoramic dinette. You used to be able to get that on the 19CB, but not anymore. And then this is going to have the little pull door, plastic door with a squeegee to get the water off as you close it. Now, this is also going to have a really nice bathroom and a really nice shower, a fairly large shower. One of the things I really like about the shower is how they do the seat here, and this actually comes up, so you can take that out and just have this whole space that's open. And that shower is way bigger than really any of the Flying Cloud floor plans, even like the 30-foot floor plans are still a bigger shower than you get with those. And then kind of looking from the back here, again, you can see the dinette here, and that does fold down and make into another sleeping space. And of course, you have the bed there. Lots of storage. Another max fan up here, which is going to be your fan for the bathroom area. It's open here, so you can pull that steam out with using that fan or utilizing that fan. Storage under the bed that you can only get to from the inside. And I don't think I showed this, but there's a wardrobe right here. Again, this is just a great floor plan. 2 drawers down there. When I do the full video, I'll open all the drawers and everything so you can see what that looks like. And then now we're going to the 22-foot. And the 22-foot is going to be obviously your longest floor plan with the Bambi and Caravelle lineup. The other thing about the 22-foot, it's actually the #1 seller for single axles. At least that length is the 22-foot. They sell more 22-foots than they do anything else as far as the 3. And then the next best seller is the 16RB, the smaller one there. And I think that's just size really helps the sales on that one. Now, you are going to have Dexter axles and stuff with the Bambi, but you're not going to have the no maintenance bearings, and you don't have the extra little shock absorber. You also have a steel step on the Bambi instead of an aluminum step. Now, coming into the 22-foot, this is going to be a very open feeling floor plan. You have the U-shaped dinette here, love it or hate it. A nice kitchen space, not as good as the 20FB, but a nice kitchen space, much better than, I would say the 16RB, obviously. We have a really large wardrobe here that's quite nice, and you could use that for all kinds of storage if you want to. Of course, the same refrigerators we've seen on all of the other ones. And then the same 24-inch smart TV, 12 volt, that's right there. And your little 2-burner stovetop, microwave, sinks are right there. And then you've got your window. We have overhead storage right there. I guess overhead storage down there. Now, these little covers things here, This actually used to be a plastic, or maybe it's a plastic in the caravel in this wood here, but that's not structural. So that's something you can remove if you wanted to, just to try to make this whole space even bigger. Of course, this table is going to go down here in the dinette to make this into a sleeping space. And then the 22 is also going to give you the largest bed of the 3 single axle options that we have with Airstream. And of course, there is storage underneath as well. And then a little bit of storage actually behind the bed, which is kind of cool. They could even put a longer bed here if they wanted to. Of course, we got storage up there. And again, I'll open all of these things in the full review that I do of the 22-foot Bambi, but just wanting to give you a quick overview of the 3 floor plans and I guess kind of their differences. And then the bathroom is going to be the larger bathroom of the 3 floor plans. So we actually have a seat here. Now, this is going to feel very much like the 23 front bed Flying Cloud. It's basically the same bathroom. The seat's going to be elevated a little bit. We've got storage underneath. Great counter space in here. You're going to have a really nice large corner shower here. And then again, this is going to be one of your larger showers in the whole Airstream lineup. And I think that's comical that the 22-foot and the 20-foot have some of the biggest showers. Now, we'll say the 30 front bed, which would end up being like a, what's that? So it would be like a bunk or office. That one's going to have a really nice shower, but the other ones is going to be that split shower. So that's the 22-foot. Oh, there's a hanging rack right there. As far as your controls for like solar, your sea level, your tank, or your water heater, all of that's going to be inside the bathroom on this particular floor plan. And I think it's just a good, easy place to locate that with these, with the Bambi 22-foot. Again, GEAC, you've got 2 max air fans, which is quite nice. And I can tell you, sorry, I just hit my head. That's going to be for your bathroom area. So when you take a shower, that's going to be the vent that vents out there. And then you've got a front one that's kind of in the kitchen area. But if you open that window, the front window, and then this window on the other side, just the bottom half opens. But you can get a pretty good breeze coming through with this max fan on. Like, it'll actually move some air. And then we're going to have one single window here on the 23-foot version of this floor plan. You actually get 2 windows there, which is really nice, just to have extra windows. The other thing I like about this floor plan is the dinette is on your camping side, which they call it the curb side, but it's on, you know, the side that you're actually going to be camping, where your awning is and things like that, which I really like. Anytime that they can fix, you know, work it out so that a floor plan can have windows on this side, I think is better. And then for outside storage, you're going to have that right here. Good storage, you know, for outside. And of course, you've got some storage under the bed, as I pointed out on the inside. Now, not so much happening storage-wise off the back or the side for the 22-foot Bambi. So that is the 3 current 2025 Bambi floor plans, the 16, the 20 FB, and the 22 FB for Airstream. Tell me which one you like the most, which one you want to get into next down in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you guys soon. Hopefully I can see you down the road. Otherwise, you guys have a great week. Live riveted, and we'll talk soon. Thanks. Bye.